Unlock the full potential of your Walmart MasterCard to earn rewards, shop seamlessly, and manage your finances with ease. First, let's talk about using your card whether you're shopping online at Walmart.com or stopping by your local store. Your Walmart MasterCard works just like any other MasterCard. Accepted anywhere MasterCard is welcomed. For online purchases, simply enter your card details at checkout. For in-store shopping, you can swipe, insert, or tap your card at the payment terminal. Now, let's dive into rewards. The Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard offers fantastic earning opportunities. You typically earn 5% back on Walmart.com purchases, including pickup and delivery, 2% back on in-store Walmart purchases at Walmart and Murphy USA gas stations, and on restaurant and travel purchases, and 1% back everywhere else MasterCard is accepted. Managing your payments is crucial for maximizing savings and avoiding interest. You can easily manage your account online through Capital One's website or their mobile app. Schedule automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date, which helps build a strong credit history and avoids late fees. Regularly review your statements to track your spending and identify any unauthorized transactions. This also helps you understand where you're earning the most rewards. By understanding your rewards, utilizing convenient payment methods, and managing your account actively, your Walmart MasterCard becomes a powerful tool for savings and convenience.